All right, next question up from Joan in Chesapeake, Virginia. Got a question about band tying. Joan asks, when making new bands with my band tying jig, can I reuse my used pouches? Yes, you sure can. One thing you want to look for, though, is just make sure the pouch is in good shape. If you're using a modern microfiber pouch, they are profoundly strong. Most of the time, they can be used over and over and over again. If it's a leather pouch, oftentimes the holes can elongate, and leather being a natural material will oftentimes stretch in an odd way. But take a look at your pouch. You know, a pouch is a very personal thing in slingshot shooting. I know several people, including myself, that have very particular needs for a pouch and will go to great lengths to preserve a pouch to use over and over again. So if you like the pouch a lot and it's in good shape, by all means reuse it. But pouches are cheap, and if you prefer a new pouch, you got that option as well. That's the great thing about slingshots, a whole lot of choices and a whole lot of freedom. Thanks for that question, Joan.